The move-in process is more than handing over keys. It's the moment where expectations are set, trust is built, and the tone for the entire tenancy is established. At Stokley Properties, we manage move-ins with a structured, professional process designed to protect your investment and set tenants up for success from day one. Before move-in, every property is carefully prepared, cleaned, and verified to be fully ready for occupancy. All agreed-upon maintenance is completed and the home is inspected to ensure it meets our standards. Tenants are guided through a clear move-in orientation that explains lease terms, rent payment procedures, maintenance requests, and property rules. When tenants understand how everything works from the beginning, it dramatically reduces confusion, missed payments, and unnecessary service calls. We also complete a detailed move-in condition report, documenting and photographing the property's condition at the start of the lease. This creates a clear record that protects both the owner and the tenant and helps prevent disputes at move-out. Utilities, renters' insurance requirements, and compliance items are confirmed before keys are released, ensuring nothing is overlooked. This attention to detail helps eliminate early problems that often turn into long-term headaches. For property owners, a professional move-in means fewer issues, stronger tenant relationships, and a smoother tenancy overall. At Stokley Properties, we believe great management starts on day one. A well-executed move-in isn't just good service, it's smart asset protection. Stokley Properties, professional move-ins that lead to better results.